Inside Europe's money factory, where euro banknotes are printed, secured, and protected before they ever reach the world.
Behind sealed doors, Europe's currents factory awakens.
Nothing inside this factory goes unseen.
First, the strength of money begins with its raw material.
Purity is engineered before ink ever touches paper.
Consistency here determines durability for years to come.
This is where money takes its first physical shape.
Security is born within the paper itself.
Randomness becomes a powerful defense.
Only perfectly stabilized paper moves forward.
Before ink is applied, perfection is confirmed.
This is where design meets machinery. Color consistency is non-negotiable. Layer by layer, the euro takes form. What looks simple is intentionally complex. Accuracy is measured in fractions of a millimeter.
Automation keeps the rhythm unbroken.
This is where the euro gains its unmistakable feel.
Every line is carved with purpose.
This pressure cannot be faked.
This texture is a signature, felt, not just seen. Security you can feel adds another layer of trust.
Multiple layers must align as one. Time and temperature lock the texture in place.
Order is maintained at every step.
The next phase adds defenses against forgery.
Embedded, not add.
Security from within.
These threads are designed to be unmistakable.
Light reveals what counterfeiters cannot hide. Next comes security, designed to move with the light.
Some materials are guarded more closely than gold.
Each hologram carries layers of hidden information.
A fraction off, and the sheet is rejected.
Light reactive security is now embedded. Movement reveals what static copies cannot. Once cured, separation is impossible. Security shrinks to a scale counterfeiters cannot reach.
Authenticity reveals itself under every spectrum.
Only perfection proceeds.
Next, every note becomes uniquely identifiable. Here, every note becomes one of a kind. Millions of identities, printed in seconds. Traceability goes beyond what the eye can see.
Mismatch means immediate rejection.
Every euro is now digitally accounted for. Speed never compromises accuracy.
There is no margin for error.
Perfection advances. Everything else stops here.
Traceability continues beyond individual notes.
Nothing leaves this factory without final approval.
This is the last line of defense.
Machines now see what humans cannot. Hundreds of checks in a single second. Perfection leaves no room for error. One flaw is enough. Perfection moves on. Nothing imperfect escapes this system. Every decision is verified twice.
Zero tolerance means zero compromise.
What fails here will never exist outside these walls. Once inside, there is no return. Security sometimes means total destruction.
Nothing recognizable must remain.
Identity dissolves completely. Even ink is erased beyond recovery. Nothing leaves untreated. Security extends to environmental responsibility. The process ends with absolute certainty. Every destroyed note is recorded. Only perfection continues its journey.
Only verified currency earns entry here.
Security is measured in tons of steel. Uniformity ensures accountability. Every bundle is locked into form. Traceability never stops.
Human error is engineered out.
Protection is layered.
Silence does not mean absence of control.
Nothing here is placed randomly.
Europol's currency now rests under absolute protection.
Manifest confirms 3 pallets. Move the second one now.
Copy that. Moving now.
Protection travels with the money.
Once sealed, integrity is guaranteed.
From secrecy toward society.
Security does not end at the factory door.
Precision leaves behind silence.
The system releases what it has perfected.
What you hold is not just paper. Engineered in secrecy, trusted by millions. This is how Europe's money is made.